Alright, welcome back to another trade recap. And it is a red day. Barely though, but it's still a red day. Probably just shouldn't have traded, honestly. Probably just shouldn't have traded. I mean, market pump, obviously gonna be consolidation. But I was really close to winning. I'm not as mad. I'll just get into it. So, going into the day, I said overall the market is trending up, so I'm bullish. Also, the daily is very bullish too. And I was right. We just, pretty much pumped not the whole day, pumped all the way up until about the end of AM session. This was the trade that I took right here. Um, and a trade that I kind of liked. We were delivering from an hourly right here. 5 minute. I was gonna look at open, but it just boom. Didn't really want to enter. That would be the change technically. Didn't really want to enter. I don't know. So didn't get that entry all the way pump up, and I got this on a little retracement, which was not a bad trade by any means. Um, it was this 15-minute right here. The only reason I don't like it is because it's kind of an insignificant 15-minute gap, but it's still 15-minute gap. And then something I did better at is this one. I mean, maybe not because I don't know. We'll get into it. So this 1 minute where here is technically the change. Let me get to it on the S. This 1 minute right here, where is it? Right here is technically the change, but I'm trying to stop taking these little itty bitty 1 minute changes, so I didn't take it. I waited for price to push all the way back up here, close, set a limit order, filled me in, ticked me by, I think, a point. Let me turn off the magnet. Yeah, literally a point. Ticked me by a point, ran straight to full TP, could have left runners. So an unfortunate day. I didn't go full $200 because I just didn't have enough time to calculate my size. So I lost like 150-ish. I think. I guess you could, you know. I went in. Let's turn on executions. Right there. I entered 3 initially. And then it wasn't enough, so I entered 3 more, and then I got stopped at 178. Let's see how. So there, I got stopped right there. 178. Price went down to 177. So one point I got stopped by. The price ran to full TP. So unfortunate. Probably shouldn't have been trading. Low prop day. Very just pump. Knew it was gonna. It literally over. I don't know. It over and over again. Pump consolidate. I mean, like look at the 1 minute. Pump consolidate. Like come on. That's crazy. So shouldn't have traded today. Um. Yeah. That's really it. I don't know. Unfortunately, let me make sure everything's wrong. I don't know if I'm gonna be trading tomorrow because I have some college stuff going on, which I don't want to do, but I have to do, unfortunately, or Wednesday either. So hopefully I can trade tomorrow. I guess Wednesday's not gonna matter too much, but I really want to trade tomorrow. Wednesday's FOMC, so it's not gonna matter too much. Thursday obviously is the holiday, then Friday I will trade. So hopefully I can trade tomorrow and Wednesday at least get on the charts, but I'm not too sure yet. Likely not. So I guess that'll be my first missed upload since I started, but it's for a good reason. It's not like I'm, you know, opting out, but yeah, that's it for today. Unfortunate tickage. Let me set this up actually. Long position. If I went in long, I went in long at like one. So like. It's called 7.5. I would be targeting like this because this is a fake wick. And I had my stops. Okay, and this is also something. I had my stops at the bodies. So this is what happened. Wick came up. So I had my stops at the body. So maybe I should have had it wicks, but then still would hit 1-1. I don't know. I mean, I'm not too mad about this trade. So yeah. So I guess not a good start to the week. Not an awful start to the week. Yeah. That's it for today. I will be back hopefully tomorrow or on Wednesday. I can trade. If not, then I'll be back on Friday. for a recap. So yeah, I'll be back then.